Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to clear Snapchat conversation. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to clear chat, head over to your chat by tapping on the chat icon from the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. Then you'll be taken to your chat. Now select the account that you would like to clear the chat from. Once you select and hold on that account, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. From there, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Then again tap on Clear from Chat Feeds. Then again tap on Clear. Then the conversations will be cleared from your chat feed. Or if you want to simply go and clear from that account's profile as well, go to that account. Once you go to that account's profile, then tap on three dot icon. Then again tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Then again tap on Clear from Chat Feed. Confirm again, and the Snapchat conversation will be cleared from the chat feed. And that's how you clear Snapchat conversation. Hopefully this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.